Dear students, today we will solve one example of joint venture when separate set of books are maintained in subject Financial Accounting Paper 2 class first year BCom semester 2 Veer Narmad South Gujarat University. Here is the question. Kirit, Nilesh and Rajesh agreed to construct a building for a company. They decided to share profit or loss in the ratio 3:2:1 respectively. They deposited rupees 5,40,000 in their joint bank account as per their profit sharing ratio. Expenses were as under. An amount was paid from joint bank account. Wages rupees 3,90,000, material rupees 6,10,000, plant rupees 40,000. Architect fees paid by Kirit rupees 30,000. Mixture machine brought by Nilesh rupees 55,000 and vehicle brought by Rajesh rupees 40,000. On completion of the work, Kirit took away material in stock for rupees 25,000. Nilesh took away mixture machine for rupees 20,000. Rajesh took away vehicles for rupees 30,000 and plant realized rupees 10,000. Rupees 9 lakh being 75% amount of contract price was received through bank draft and 12% debentures were received for the balance which were purchased by Kirit at 20% less than its face value. From the above particulars, we have to prepare joint venture account, partners capital account and joint bank account. First of all, let us understand the question. Kirit, Nilesh and Rajesh co-ventured. Their profit sharing ratio is 3:2:1. Initial investment by partners total 5,40,000 in their profit sharing ratio 3:2:1. It means Kirit invested rupees 2,70,000, Nilesh invested rupees 1,80,000 and Rajesh rupees 90,000 respectively. And our bank journal entry for this investment would be joint bank account debit 5,40,000 to Kirit capital account 2,70,000 to Nilesh capital account 1,80,000 to Rajesh capital account 90,000. Next, expenses paid from joint bank, wages, material and plant purchased for joint venture and payment was made from joint bank account. So our accounting entry for payment of joint ventures is joint venture account debit to joint bank account. Aggregate amount rupees 10,40,000. Then architect fees paid by Kirit, mixture machine brought by Nilesh and vehicle brought by Rajesh. So here all three partners are giving commodities and paying expenses for joint venture. So our accounting entry, we can pass one combined entry. Joint venture account debit to Kirit capital account 30,000 to Nilesh capital account 55,000 to Rajesh capital account 40,000. Next, on completion of the work, Kirit took away material in stock for rupees 25,000. Nilesh took away mixture machine for rupees 20,000 and Rajesh took away vehicles for rupees 30,000. So here all three partners are the receivers from joint venture. So we can pass one combined entry. Kirit capital account debit 25,000, Nilesh capital account debit rupees 20,000, Rajesh capital account debit 30,000 to joint venture account rupees 75,000. Next is plant realized rupees 10,000. So our accounting entry will be joint bank account debit to joint venture account rupees 10,000. Next, rupees 9 lakh being 75% amount of contract price was received through bank draft and remaining contract price received in 12% debentures. So dear students, here we will have to calculate our total contract price. Here inside I have put a working. 75% is equal to rupees 9 lakh. So 100% amount would be question mark. So by this way we get contract price rupees 12 lakh, and out of 12 lakh 9 lakh we have received in form of bank draft. So remaining 3 lakh is received in the form of debentures, and our accounting entry will be joint bank account debit rupees 9 lakh, 12% debentures account debit rupees 3 lakh to joint venture account rupees 12 lakh. Here contract price is nothing but revenue or income for joint venture, and that is why joint venture account is credited. Next, after that, debentures were purchased by Kirit at 20% less than its face value. Here you can see we have received debentures worth rupees 3 lakh. So 3 lakh becomes face value of debentures. 20% less. So 20% of 3 lakh, it will be 60,000 rupees. So 3 lakh minus discount 60,000. So net amount comes rupees 2 lakh 40,000. It means Kirit took debentures for rupees 2 lakh 40,000. And our accounting entry will be joint bank account debit Kirit account debit rupees 2 lakh 40,000, joint venture account debit 60,000 to debentures account rupees 3 lakh. Now after understanding all the transactions and checking journal entry, now let us prepare necessary accounts for joint venture. Our first account is joint venture account. In joint venture account, on debit side postings are first to joint bank. These are nothing but expenditures paid from joint bank. Wages 3 lakh 90,000, materials 6 lakh 10,000, plant rupees 40,000, and total amount 10 lakh 40,000. Again on debit side, to Kirit's capital account. This is for architect fees paid by Kirit rupees 30,000. To Nilesh capital account for brought in mixture machine for joint venture rupees 55,000. To Rajesh capital account for vehicle brought in for joint venture rupees 40,000. On credit side we will record by Kirit capital account for stock taken 25,000, by Nilesh capital for mixture machine taken 20,000, and by Rajesh capital account for vehicles taken rupees 30,000. Next, by joint bank for plant realized rupees 10,000. Next on credit side, by joint bank account rupees 9 lakh, and by 12% debentures account rupees 3 lakh. This is nothing but for contract price received. And on debit side, to 12% debentures loss rupees 60,000. This is nothing but debentures loss on taken away by Kirit. And finally, by closing joint venture account, we get balancing figure rupees 60,000 on debit side. This is nothing but our profit of joint venture will be shared by 3 partners in their profit sharing ratio 3:2:1. So Kirit will get rupees 30,000, Nilesh will get rupees 20,000, and Rajesh will get rupees 10,000. And finally, joint venture account will get tally by rupees 12,85,000. And our accounting entry for profit sharing will be joint venture account debit rupees 60,000 to Kirit's capital account 30,000, to Nilesh capital account 20,000, to Rajesh capital account 10,000. Now we will prepare co-venturers account and joint bank account. Very first, in joint bank account debit side we will record to Kirit's capital account 2,70,000, Nilesh capital account 1,80,000, Rajesh capital account rupees 90,000. This is nothing but their initial investment, and same amount will be recorded in their capital account on credit side by joint bank account 2,70,000, 1,80,000 and 90,000. Now in co-venturers account credit side by joint venture for their contribution, Kirit 30,000, Nilesh 55,000 and Rajesh rupees 40,000. Again on credit side by joint venture, Kirit 30,000, Nilesh 20,000 and Rajesh rupees 10,000 for share in profit. Now on debit side, two joint venture, rupees 25,000 Kirit, rupees 20,000 Nilesh and rupees 10,000 Rajesh for their takeaway from joint ventures. Next, Kirit took debentures for rupees 2,40,000. So joint venture co-venturers account debit side, two debentures account only Kirit 2,40,000. And now by closing their co-venturers account, we get balancing figure on debit side. Kirit rupees 65,000, Nilesh rupees 2,35,000 and Rajesh rupees 1,30,000. This will be the balancing figure of their respective capital account, and this amount will be paid to the partners on completion of the contract. So our accounting entry will be co-venturers account debit to joint bank account, and our second posting joint bank account credit side by Kirit capital 65,000, by Nilesh capital rupees 2,35,000 and by Rajesh capital rupees 1,30,000. And now joint bank account credit side by joint venture for expenses rupees 10,40,000, and on debit side two joint venture for plant realization of rupees 10,000. Again on debit side two joint venture for contract price received in bank draft rupees 9 lakh. And finally our joint bank account gets tally with rupees 14,50,000. That's all. Dear students, first of all you understand the whole question, then copy question in your notebook and try to solve this example independently. Thank you very much for watching this video lecture. Very soon we will meet with another example in the same chapter.